Hey everybody, Steph Beckett here at CEDIA Expo 2021. I am here with Jason Schwartz of Hall Technologies. First of all, how you doing? How's the show been?
Oh, it's been great. We've had some really good meetings so far, and the attendance wasn't what we were hoping to see, but at least we had some meetings out there that were actually quite positive for us.
So first of all, you have rebranded in the past year. So you were formerly known as Hall Research. That might be what people know you a little more as. But tell me about the rebrand. Tell me what the rebrand means, first of all.
Sure. Hall Technologies has been around for over 35 years now, and they were known for making great products that were always on, quite reliable, but they were a part of a larger solution. When we rebranded to Hall Technologies, what we want to do is create these solutions from end to end that are out there solving problems for the education space, hospitality space, corporate, any vertical really that we see there's a need. We want to be able to go and create a solution that is a holistic version versus just piece of the pie.
And that explains why you're here at CEDIA too, because like the residential market, that is a market that is up and coming as these lines get blended. So that is where you guys can easily come in and help format a solution, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And we wanted to really meet some of the other partners that are out there as well. We want to see what other technologies are out there in the market, what other people are doing, because you can always glean from other things that our competitors are working on. But exactly, our solutions that we're looking at could be in the residential market as well.
Yeah. So it's my understanding that y'all have a big announcement. And you're going to be announcing that very soon. So do you want to go ahead and tell me what y'all are planning and what y'all have in the works?
Yeah, sure. We are relocating to Coppell, Texas. It's a suburb of the Dallas area, and it's part of our rebranding, part of our transformation. And there's multifaceted to this. So part of us changing from Hall Research to Hall Technologies is we're going through and really changing every aspect of our organization. So we started, and you've probably seen a lot of press releases on the people side. We brought in some great talent in from running our sales, running our product. We have a lot more that are coming up as well. We've done a lot on the culture side as well. We're really trying to build a culture that has that mindset of how do we go out and solve problems. And part of this transformation is having the ability for us to live and breathe what it is we do. So we want to do that in the state of Texas. State of Texas is a little bit easier for us to do in California. So that's part of the aspect of it. And the other is we want to be closer to our customer base. Dallas area is the center of the U.S. It's easier for us to get to the East Coast, the West Coast. So it really makes a lot of sense for us.
And the idea is that there's a lot more room in Texas as well for growth. And I liked the idea that we were talking about earlier, that it's really going to be like a one-stop shop. You're like, oh, you want to see what this looks like in a conference room? One right here. Oh, you want to see what this looks like in an education setting? Come into this room. I think that'll be really great.
Yeah, it is. We want to be able to have people have a showcase. So it's not just an office. We want to create a hive. That is our control system that we're bringing out and what we're going to call our office. That we want it to be a living, breathing example of what it is we do. And as you mentioned, we want people to be able to come in and see what a training room looks like, what a classroom looks like, what a conference room does, how our Hive-enabled products able to control these. And that is, and for us, living and breathing our work is how we're going to really transform our organization. So it really gets into the DNA within the company.
Great. I wish you all the best of luck. I think that it'll turn out great. I would love to see the facility once it's up and running. I hope that I get the chance to come down there and see it one day.
Oh, we'd love to have you down. Absolutely. You'll be one of the first guests.
Well, thank you very much. I hope you have a great rest of the show.
Great. Thank you.
Thanks.